Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to then now look at the verify method. So alright, so we created our key, and we used our KDF object that we created out of our password KDF HMAC. Alright, then we derived, well now we need to verify. And we need to rerun this, and I'll show you why in a second. So we rerun this, and I'll show you KDF. We have verify right here, and so let's just look at help KDF.verify. So all right, key material expected key. So password in bytes, and then key. So all right. This KDF verify, then what my password, oops, forgot bytes, and then key. Alright, so now you might say, why did we need to rerun KDF? Well, one, this this did not throw an error, so I was correct. I am authenticated. I have been verified. I had the correct password and I had the correct key. So now let's run this again. Let's see what happens. Aha! So you can only verify, just like last time, you can only verify it once. But if you need, every time you're going to check and take in their credentials, you need to rerun and create a new object. So there we go. This is how secure this is. And next video, we're going to tie this in about this type of password and more of processing. Well, the hint is cost. So these passwords are variable costs because we're taking in passwords, we're taking in information, and we're processing. So we're actually going to go into, we've never talked about cost of computing here, but we're going to really dip our toe into it because it's something we've been doing this a while that we need to touch on. So there we go, guys. Really quick video today. Have wrapped all this up. Super excited. I love sharing all these fantastic tools with everybody. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me, and if you haven't clicked down and joined the Discord, go ahead and do that so you're not alone. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.